At Zimmer, we specialize in a few different industry areas. Mainly right now, a lot of our work is in the semiconductors and arm industries. However, thanks to ProShop, we are breaking into the aerospace industry right now as well.
I bought ProShop in 2021, shortly after I purchased a small machine shop. So we really started with the bar high, and we don't know any other way to do it.
We really pride ourselves on being a one-stop shop where we can go from prototype to production all in-house. So we always say no job is too big.
My first big shop that I worked at, everything was paperwork. It was hard to keep track of everything. It was a scramble trying to get everything together, and it was always just a headache. Having ProShop now is a big help.
Using ProShop, everything's organized and clean. All of our tools and fixturing are where they need to be. Everything is easily linked and everybody knows exactly where to find everything.
As a shop, one of our biggest draws for customers is that we pride ourselves on always being able to provide documentation. Working with nothing but paper can be confusing and things get lost, things fall through the cracks. And here at Zimmer Manufacturing, thanks to ProShop, we don't have that problem.
As a machinist, it makes my job a lot easier. It's definitely more efficient in the fact that I don't have to go and find somebody to ask a question, and I can find most of my answers just on ProShop.
Becoming AS9100 was very simple for us using ProShop. Our AS9100 auditor was very impressed with our system. We didn't have a single file cabinet in the shop, and everything was right at our fingertips.
By using ProShop, we were able to create a foundational quality system for our shop that not only helped us get AS9100 certified, but also helps us bring higher level of quality into every part that leaves our facility.
Investing in ProShop has been a no-brainer for us. I wouldn't even want to try to grow a machine shop without it.
At this point, I can't imagine doing my job without ProShop.
I would say wholeheartedly I love ProShop, no doubt about it.
My name is Adam and my shop is powered by ProShop.